Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, with today's PAC report, August 14th, currently at 258 members, 243 free members, 15 VIP. Got a little surprise this morning when I woke up. Got suspended on my Adsense account, Google's account. I'm still kind of confused if those are two separate things or the same thing. As usual, generic. No, they can't. Why I don't understand if they're going to do an action on you, they can't pinpoint the exact thing that you did. It's always just a generic type uh, violation. So that it would help everybody if we knew what it was that was wrong and we could go fix it. So I just don't understand that with Google. Uh, the other suspension that I had with Facebook, they were real clear on what it was, exactly what video. They got back to me within 12 hours, and I commented that on my other video about that. And that's the type of customer service these companies got to get up, because people is running businesses on this. And it's not that big of a deal with me as of yet. I don't know what the outcome's going to be of this or the consequences, but you just got to have a way for, because most people just want to find out what's going wrong and fix it. And a lot of us don't know how to fix it or even identify what exactly is the problem. So that would really, if they could fix that on their side, it would help us do exactly what they claim they're trying to accomplish. But anyway, let's go over the site real quick. I got a new splash page to show you. I think it was on yesterday's video. Um, when you come in, you're going to have a sticky bar that drops down with info. Every time you change a page, it will do that. Read them, because they're all things that you need to know. Do your daily bonus. Get up to, it goes all the way up to 3,000 in 30 days, 100 a day, and then it resets to zero or to 100. If you miss a day, it goes back to 100. Set up your ads here, test your sites here. PAC report, you click on that, it takes you to the YouTube site with all my videos. The grid click game is here. I had 5 people playing it yesterday, according to my promo, and but I've got there was a couple extra that said I forgot about them. I'm having a problem with the fact that the some people on the other side of the planet are, their day starts before the promo code is clicking in for, I don't know. It's confusing. So I apologize is what I'm saying. If I miss your name ever, just let me know, and I'll do is I'll double up on you, 2 entries the next day type thing. And that's what I think's going on. But I do finally have it. It's been working fine for the last couple of days as far as the promo goes when you click on it and win it. Set up your daily bonus ads if you got any. Surf credits here. Buy with credits and cash ads here. Redeem your promo codes. Affiliate tools. Let's go to there and check out that beautiful new splash page. There it is. And this is by reducethehype.com. You can head over there and sign up for his newsletter, but you can also, I think, there's free tools to make your own splash pages. I'm going to start getting to that site as soon as I can to start finding out everything that it can do. But this is absolutely beautiful. You did a really good job. Thank you. Appreciate it. And it's got the viral ad on the bottom, which is huge. That's co-op advertising that can go viral for everybody, because everybody who posts these on theirs, just the fact that every mailing that goes out will have this on it. That's extra advertising for you. Okay. And it's got a text ad. It's got one of your banner ads, and it's got I think they're VIP ads and highly recommended ads. Who's ever got the bonus ads will be up in the top. But yeah, so I would use. Oh, and then it's got the exit capture thing. That's one. That's awesome. So use it to promote because the one that he made last week or a couple weeks ago, this one was doing very well on promoting. About 80% of all signups were coming through this page right here. So it's pretty much the same. It just well, no, the other one just talks about the free solos. It doesn't have this, but anyway, they're both good. Either one, highly recommend. Okay, let me see down here. Got this offers right here. Let's see, manage your gifts. If you got a gift, you might as well use them. Build your downline, and if you want to own an ad exchange, you click on this, take you to Phil Marr's site where you can get your own site, uh, or he'll build you one, or he'll sell you one he's already got made up, or you can buy the script and do it yourself. So that's the latest news on Pro Advertisers Club. So let me show you. I got this morning when I woke up, and your account has been suspended. Yada yada yada. They're claiming I are circumventing the system's policy. And I went to I do have an account, and I had actually experimented with paid advertising about a year ago with ClickBank and Fiverr, and it did real good with Fiverr. I had $100 within about a week on a $50 budget, and so that was looking like $400, average. It would have been $400 for the month if it stayed the same. Not to mention all the people that I was building underneath me, and I got canceled for that because it was against Fiverr's policy to use Google Ads, and that was on me. I lost out on that. So I tried with ClickBank. Google threatened me that the ad was doing something, so I just stopped using it. They just because they couldn't explain to me what it was. Just a generic "we're going to suspend you" type thing. And when you called them and talked to them, it's like it was weird. How come they would make it so vague? So anyway, so I get this letter today. I have not advertised with them in over a year. So the only thing I can think of is my Google accounts. Uh, is it something to do with my YouTube channel? But my YouTube channel's fine. There's nothing wrong there. Everything's working except when I go to my ads account, it has been suspended. So I got an appeals going. We'll find out what's going on. I will keep you updated. If I can figure out what the problem was, I'll make a video on it. That way, other people who have the same problem will be able to find out. Chances are something I did triggered their algorithm red flag system. And this is just a generic letter type thing. I don't take it personal. I just take it frustrating that they don't have a more user friendly system for the people who are basically supporting them, basically customers and stuff. Not that I'm the best customer, but could be someday, right? But the other thing that I wanted to show you that might have something to do with that is, let me go to my magic link here on World Profit, and I'm going to click on the Alexa and I don't know how you pronounce it, Ahrefs rankings, Ahrefs. And first, let me show you my Alexa ranking. This is all because of you guys. I don't know why it's not opening up. Any day, there you go. And let's see where my number is. I'm almost below 400,000, so that's where I started at. Way back in May, I was number 975,008, and of course, I hadn't been any visitors because I just got the site, and it slowly has climbed its way up to what it is now, 409.85 or 406.13. And this is because of all y'all working the site, showing up, logging in. and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Um, but what I wanted to show you that might have something to do with, or it's just a coincidence. Okay, I got to put the. This is going to check. This is a backlink checker. Add com. Check backlinks. And from what the basic understanding I have of backlinks is they're good for you. They point towards your site, and I'm about probably 20% understanding of backlinks, but the more you understand of it, it is something you need to help your site on the SEO and on Google's algorithm and everything else. And here's what happened. As of yesterday, it was at 7, and I was at around 300 and something, and it would go back and forth between 7 and 8, and then I'd add a couple every day, or get a couple somehow, and I don't. The referring domains has gone up a little bit, but this morning when I woke up, all of a sudden it jumped to a 17 domain rating, and I'm up a couple hundred backlinks overnight. Now I don't know if their system updated my system and that's a natural number, or but what I'm saying is it's the letter I got from Google, I got pretty much at the same time this happened. So it's either this triggered that, or this has nothing to do with it, and it just happens to be coincidence that I got they updated my account, and that's good though that it went up, unless of course it's what caused me to somehow be circumnavigating their system, which I cannot. I know I'm not that advanced that I can do things like that, not on purpose anyway. So anyway, so I'll keep you all updated on that and make a video to see if that's another thing to learn about. Um, this one of the fascinating things about affiliate marketing is it's if you like to learn, it's never ending. I mean, it's a puzzle, and if you like puzzles, you're gonna get addicted to this stuff because if that's your type of personality, it fits. Everything's a puzzle. Everything can be figured out, but you're never going to know it all. Guarantee it. Not in this, and it's very overwhelming, especially if you're new. So anyway, I'm talking too much again. I'm going to let y'all go. Thank you for supporting Pro Advertisers Club, and have a nice night. And I'll talk to you tomorrow.